What it do? Welcome back to another video with me and my boy John. Yeah, today we're gonna start cleaning out the S13. I don't have much else to do right now, so I gotta do something. But the S13 is a little dirty, so I got some gloves and a trash can. I lived that thing, drank a lot of Red Bulls.
I seen that in the back seat.
Yeah, so we're gonna clean that out. I'm gonna pull the seats out too, I think, and get ready to do some carpet cleaning and other junk because it needs to be cleaned. So yeah, let's get to it.
Exposure too high. What?
Where should I start, John?
Dude, this shit's nasty. Who stole the door speakers?
I don't know. I don't know either.
I don't know. Just start where you want to start.
Whoever owned this car was on probation.
Yeah.
Oh, this is disgusting.
I hate this phone.
Roll the dice, bro.
Up, Taylor. Look at his face. Oh, you can't really see it.
Okay, well that's disgusting. Okay, we need this.
Look at your face.
Curtain. Oh shit! What? Motherfucking Duro. Ice cream paint job, motherfucker!
Clean.
I don't know if that motherfucker will read though, he's kinda scratched up. We're keeping that motherfucker though. What he got for $1? $1?
$1? $1?
Alright, well.
This is a glove box.
Motherfucker get some.
Real 2 ways.
This is disgusting. That's all rat shit. Look.
Frankie, can you build it?
Ew.
What?
Ew.
Alright, well we're at it. Snapple fact of the day. Armadillos have 4 babies at a time, and they are always all the same sex. Gender neutral. Fuck.
I don't think that's what that means.
That's disgusting.
You're gonna get hate for that one.
That's disgusting.
No, probably not.
Is it a dirty diaper?
I don't think. Oh yeah, it's dirty, but I don't know if it's dirty from. Alright, this side is decent for now. I'm gonna do the other side and then chop back out, I guess. Hey John, will you go in the house? Oh my god, it's 11 church on. Yeah, a rat definitely lived in here for a while.
Here you go.
I'm
I gotta
disgusted.
use red.
Here's a binky. Crack butter. Useless. Oh, this is disgusting. I don't really want to touch myself right now. Alright, I'm gonna go get the shop vac. This is from 12 years of sitting. And it's absolutely...
Is this empty?
I think hold this up. I think it already looks like 10 times better already. Just this one side. Hopefully the thing will pull most of the stains out. Let's get the seat up really fast. That was an N80. Quick little vacuum, then I'll pull all the seats out and actually vacuum it because, yeah, it's disgusting. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Okay. Alright, looks a lot better, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna pull the seat out, seats out, all of them, front, back, everything, and then more cleaning. I gotta get a carpet cleaner too to do all this. And I'd like to carpet clean my actual good 242. This thing is awesome though. Kind of trashy, but kind of nice. John, look, you need this for your gun?
Yeah, the gun that I don't have yet.
I don't know what to do with this. I need to sit in this to scoot it up. Oh, I got it! I got it! Frankie the fucking thrust master. Whew, that was a workout. That was actually kind of exciting. They might have a plug on it. Oh damn, look dude, I got some of my money back.
Just fucking pennies.
There's a dime in there. Already looks 10 times cleaner. Still dirty as fuck, but it looks so better. Let's get that seat out, and I'll take the back seats out after that. And then more vacuuming. Yep. lot cleaner on this side than it was the other side. This one's actually hooked off to the side, so that's disgusting too. Alright, I think I can hold this. I think this comes up right. Oh, look at that! Free tools! Got me a fucking screwdriver. A 7/16. Garbage. So we got to get a carpet cleaner. Chris has one he said I could have. For free? For free, yeah. So we gotta do that. It was pretty fucking disgusting though. As you can see from the video, it was, yeah. I need to pull that back seat out still though. And clean up more other shit. And then the engine bay needs to be cleaned up because it has a bunch of leaves in it. Hopefully we have it running soon. I'm pretty sure I bought the ECU from it 6 years ago for that black hatch I had. But today they just cut it out, so I need an engine harness and ECU, but Jones has one. I need to take the center console out too. Is there any screws left in it at all? Ew. Ooh, some matches. It works still, sweet. Alright. Well. Vacuum time. Alright, it looks like a brand new car straight from the factory.
What do you think, Chris?
I think it's a waste of $600 and he's never going to get it running.
Well, it's like a tree system growing in this thing.
Hey Frankie, how long did it take to get your car running?
2 years. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yo, get down.
I'm just kidding.
What did he say? Are you talking shit?
Yeah, he's talking shit.
That's all we got for today, boys. Gotta get a carpet cleaner.
Yeah. It's dead.
But overall, so much better. Ain't that right, John? Ain't that right, John?
What is right?
How clean it is now.
Yeah. Mint from factory.
Definitely needs a carpet clean though, very bad. Still a little more vacuuming to go. I'm gonna pull this carpet out. I'm gonna pull the dash out too, try to get everything super clean. How you feel, John? You like this car so far?
Yeah. I wish I had it so that I could do cool stuff. Like my dad.
I love you, son.
He was faster than that.
Like, comment, subscribe, masturbate, and yep, that's it.
See you next week.